by Qazi Nazrul Islam. Say, valiant. Say, high is my head. Looking at my head is cast down the great Himalayan peak. Say, valiant. Say, ripping apart the white sky of the universe, leaving behind the moon, the sun, the planets and the stars, piercing the earth and the heavens, pushing through Almighty's sacred seat, have I risen. I, the perennial wonder of Mother Earth. The angry god shines on my forehead, like some royal victory's gorgeous emblem. Say, valiant. Ever high is my head. I am irresponsible, cruel and arrogant. I am the king of the great upheaval. I am cyclone. I am destruction. I am the great fear, the curse of the universe. I have no mercy. I grind all to pieces. I am disorderly and lawless. I trample under my feet all rules and discipline. I am Durjeti. I am the sudden tempest of ultimate summer. I am the rebel son of Mother Earth. Say, valiant. Ever high is my head. I am the hurricane. I am the cyclone. I destroy all that I found in my path. I am the dance-intoxicated rhythm. I dance at my own pleasure. I am the unfettered joy of life. I am Hambir. I am Chayanata. I am Hindol. I am ever restless. I caper and dance as I move. I do whatever appeals to me. Whenever I like, I embrace the enemy and wrestle with death. I am mad. I am the tornado. I am pestilence, the great fear. I am the death of all reigns of terror. I am full of a warm restlessness forever. Say, valiant. Ever high is my head. I am creation. I am destruction. I am habitation. I am the graveyard. I am the end of night. I am the son of Indrani, with the moon in my head and the sun on my temple. In one hand of mine is the tender flute, while in the other I hold the war bugle. I am the Bedouin, I am the Chengiz. I salute none but me. I am thunder, I am Brahma's sound in the sky and on the earth. I am the mighty roar of Israfil's bugle. I am the great trident of Pinakpani. I am the staff of the king of truth. I am the chakra and the great Shankar. I am the mighty primordial shout. I am Vishwamitra's pupil, Durvasha the furious. I am the fury of wildfire. I burn to ashes this universe. I am the gay laughter of the generous heart. I am the enemy of creation, the mighty terror. I am the eclipse of the 12 suns. I herald the final destruction. Sometimes I am quiet and serene. I am in a frenzy at other times. I am the new youth of dawn. I crush under my feet the vain glory of the Almighty. I am the fury of typhoon. I am the tumultuous roar of the ocean. I am ever effulgent and bright. I creepingly flow like the gaily warbling brook. I am the maiden's dark glassy hair. I am the spark of fire in her blazing eyes. I am the tender love that lies in the 16-year-old's heart. The gay, gripping young girl's love. I am the jingling music of her bangles. I am the eternal child, the adolescent of all times. I am the shy village maiden frightened by her own budding youth. I am the soothing breeze of the south. I am the pensive gale of the east. I am the deep solemn song sung by the wandering bird. I am the soft music played on his lyre. I am the harsh, unquenched midday thirst. I am the fierce, blazing sun. I am the softly trilling desert spring. I am the cool, shadowy greenery. Maddened with an intense joy, I rush onward. I am insane. I am insane. Suddenly, I have come to know myself. All the false barriers have crumbled today. I am the rising. I am the fall. I am consciousness in the unconscious soul. I am the flag of triumph at the gate of the world. I am the glorious sign of man's victory. Clapping my hands in exultation, I rush like the hurricane, traversing the earth and sky. The mighty Borak is the horse I ride. It neighs impatiently, drunk with delight. I am the burning volcano in the bosom of the earth. I am the wildfire of the woods. I am the hell's mad, terrific sea of wrath. I ride on the wings of the lightning with joy and profound. I scatter misery and fear all around. I bring earthquakes on this world. I am Orpheus' flute. I bring sleep to the fevered world. I make the heaving hells tremble in fear and die. I carry the message of revolt to the earth and the sky. I am the mighty flood. Sometimes I make the earth rich and fertile. At other times, I cause colossal damage. I snatch from Vishnu's bosom the two girls. I am injustice. I am the shooting star. I am Saturn. I am the fire of the comet. I am the poisonous Asap. I am Chandi, the headless, and the ruinous warlord. Sitting in the burning pit of hell, I smile as innocent flower. I am the cruel ex of Parsurama. I shall kill warriors and bring peace and harmony in the universe. I shall uproot this miserable earth effortlessly and with ease. And create a new universe of joy and peace. Weary of struggles, I, the great rebel, shall rest in quiet only when I find the sky and the air free of piteous groans of the oppressed. Only when battlefields are cleared of jingling bloody sabers shall I, weary of struggles, rest in quiet. I, the great rebel, I am the rebel eternal. I raise my head beyond this world, high, ever erect, and alone.
Good health to all. I am Nana Tandon of class 9B and today I am here to deliver a speech on this auspicious day. Today on 15th of August 1947, our country India got independence from the 200 years of British rule. On this very day, for the first time, our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted the Tiranga or tricolour on the Red Fort. This independence is not a mere win from the British rule, but also the fruitful return of the struggle of all the freedom fighters of our country who sacrificed their lives for our Bharat Mata. We can never repay our martyrs for the wonderful gift they have given to us, but at least we all can, hand in hand, try to keep our country free from all the evil forces and follow our constitution, and at the same time improve anything we see has room for improvement. With this, I conclude my speech here and wish all of you a very happy 75th Independence Day. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you.
India will celebrate the 75th year of independence on 15th August. Like every year, the tricolor flag of our nation will be unfurled in Red Fort at Old Delhi by our Honorable Prime Minister. So let us pay respect to all the great leaders who fought bravely for achieving this independence. However, we all are caged in our homes this year in this COVID pandemic. This pandemic situation can be related to India's history when we were under British rule. At that time, we did not have any proper independence. Just like that, we do not have any proper independence to go out in public places in this COVID pandemic. Many people of India during that time gave their life even they were innocent. Similarly, this COVID virus has taken and is still in the process of taking millions of lives of the people. But we should not forget the heroes which are present in our surroundings, such as doctors, nurses, teachers, police and many other people who are working day and night to prevent us from this COVID virus. So let us hope that this virus get perished soon and everything will become normal again.
भारत अनोखा राग है, रागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग है, अनोखा राग है। भारत के इस एक तारे पे गूंज है जो जो रागिनी, सब मिल गई एक धुन बनी।
And the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert of sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my father led my country away.
The Gift of India by Sarojini Naidu. Is there aught you need that my hands withhold, rich gifts of raiment or grain or gold? Lo, I have flung to the east and west priceless treasures torn from my breast, and yielded the sons of my sticken womb to the drum beats of duty, the sabres of doom. Gathered like pearls in their alien graves, silent they sleep by the Persian waves. Scattered like shells on Egyptian sands, they lie with pale brows and brave broken hands. They are strewn like blossoms mown down by chance on the blood-brown meadows of Flanders and France. Can you measure the grief of the tears I weep, or the compass the woe of the watch I keep, or the pride that thrills through my heart despairs, and the hope that comforts the anguish of prayer, and the far sad glorious vision I see of the torn red banners of victory? When the terror of tumult of hate shall cease, and life be refashioned on anvils of peace, and your love shall offer memorial thanks to the comrades who fought in your dauntless ranks, and you honor the deeds of deathless ones, remember the blood of their martyred sons.
কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে
बाजीराव और अशोक जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 25 मील पर रूप पहनावा बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल से पहले पूरे ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था। I would wish to notify you that it's been 75 years that we have got independence from the British Raj, and now we're exhaling further. For this particular date, thousands of people of this country fought for freedom, which wasn't only from the British Empire, but also from hunger, poverty, caste system, and many more. In this golden moment, I would like to recall all the freedom fighters, and my heartiest gratitude to them who are still fighting to reach the ultimate goal. Being an Indian, we have to always remember that we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved that they constitute India into a sovereign, socialist and secular democratic republic and secure all its citizens. Moving ahead, how can we achieve that? We, the youth generation, have to actively participate and take a responsibility and accountability to build our nation at the highest level. Now, I would like to conclude. जिस दिन तेरा फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, जिस दिन तेरा फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पर लहराएगा, क्या जमीन क्या आसमान ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा. Wish you all a happy Independence Day.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू. ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन. तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रही तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन. तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू.
ये तेरी
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।